got some errors, so let's fix those errors now. Let's go to create contact. Let's search for give first name. Okay, and what we're gonna do is now we're gonna create a new resource. Let me create a variable now. Text and done. Let's create one more. Now here we gonna take last name and we wanna give it in the new source variable. Let's give last name variable. Let's select text and then save it. Then we're gonna use email. For email, and this is done now. Now let's go and fix the create event element. Now let's see this one. Okay, now let's give it as something. We have subject in this. We're gonna create event name here. So event name, yes, we have it. Now let's remove this one also, and this will be something called as start date time. Yes, and here the values will be something event date. Yes, here we have it, and now this is done. Let's see now whether we have got it or not. Let's now save this. Let it get saved and then activate it. Yes, now the activation is done. So let's debug this one. No debugs. Yes, so this will be input variables. Okay, now let's run this. So here first you're gonna give the name. Let's give something. @gmail.com. Phone, let me give something. Okay, now click on next. So now here if the contact exists, it will give you the event. Then we're gonna give event name. Event name something, we'll give event only. Then let's give event date, I want ticket type something called as enabled, and next so